Hey guys, welcome back. So this is a quick style for anyone who is trying to do a fast updo on their hair. You just need some moisturizer and water. You want to start by moisturizing your hair liberally. I usually take this time to finger detangle and just get any kind of knots out of my hair. And y'all, please do not judge me. I know my ends look crazy in this video, but you'll just want to take some moisturizer. I made this cream, so it's a little thick, but whatever cream that you want to use, you'll just apply it to your strands liberally. And once you've coated your strands, you're taking this time to detangle your hair. I usually try not to use a comb when I detangle my hair, and instead I choose to finger detangle. This is easier for me to manage. My hair is really thick, and I notice that if I do use a comb often, it does snag. I am still having my alopecia spots, you guys. I've had my alopecia on the sides of my hair since I was young. So you do see those thinner edges. No matter how long my hair grows, those edges still remain. They just don't grow. But just liberally moisturize your hair. So for this style, we're doing 2 braids. You can do 2 flat twists or you can do 2 cornrows. I'm opting to do 2 cornrows. So what you'll want to do is make a part. You can do it off center or you can do it directly in the center of your forehead. I choose to do mine off center. And let me know if you guys want a tutorial on how to either cornrow or flat twist. There's so many on YouTube, so I didn't really go into detail trying to show you guys how to cornrow. But let me know if y'all want a detailed video. So what I do is I will just do a cornrow that goes all the way back. And I usually try to be a little bit more careful, you guys, when I do my hair, because as you can see at the ends, I was pulling and snagging my hair, which I do not recommend doing your hair when you're in a rush. But again, I just needed a style to get out the door. I had somewhere to be, and I just needed something besides the bun I had been wearing all week. I know my part in the back is not straight. Again, you guys, bear with me. This is just a really quick and simple style. Once you finish with the first side, then you'll begin on the second side. My hands always get tired when I do my hair, so you guys can see my face. I look irritated. I promise I'm not mad. I'm just resting. It's my resting hair face. And y'all, this is definitely one of those styles where you have to trust the process. I know it looks crazy. It's giving Sealy from the color purple, but trust the style. So at this point, you want to take bobby pins. If you have 3-inch bobby pins, those actually work better for 4C hair because they are thicker. But I just had the 1-inch. So you'll want to fold those braids in. This is a really good tip. If you have longer hair, you can actually fold your braids in and then tuck them versus trying to drape the braids all around your head. So just tuck them in as many times as you need. And at this point, if you really want to lay your edges, you can spray some water on it, some warm water. I don't use gel too often, and I found that this hack works for me. It's just tying your edges down. So after that, I keep that on for at least an hour. I keep that wrap on for at least an hour, then I take it off, and usually my edges are laid, y'all. No need for gel, no need for edge control. And that's it. And there you have it, a quick and fast style to get you out the door. All right, guys, thanks for watching. Jesus loves you. Bye.